Hey everyone! If you're eyeing the future of luxury electric SUVs, you'll want to hear this. Lexus just dropped some exciting updates for its all-electric RZ lineup for 2026, and let's just say, it's faster, smarter, and goes a lot farther than before. Let's break it all down. First up, the big headline: Lexus is bringing in a brand new top trim called the RZ F Sport. This beast is packing 402 horsepower, thanks to a dual-motor all-wheel drive system called Direct 4. It's got simulated gear shifts using paddle shifters, giving you that sporty driving feel, even though it's an EV. And for our European friends, the F Sport will feature Lexus' futuristic yoke-style steering system. But for us in the US, we are still getting the good old traditional wheel for now. On the outside, the F Sport looks sharp, literally. It rides on lightweight 20-inch wheels and comes with a sleek two-tone paint finish, including a brand new metallic grey that really pops. Now, let's talk range, because this is where Lexus seriously stepped it up. The 2026 RZ lineup gets a new 77 kWh battery on the F Sport, and other trims get a refreshed 74.7 kWh version. Lexus says you'll see up to 300 miles on a single charge with the front-wheel drive RZ 350e. Here's how the trims break down. The RZ 350e has 221 horsepower and hits 60 in 7.2 seconds. The RZ 450e gives you 380 horses and hits 60 in 4.9 seconds. And the top-tier RZ 550e F Sport? A blazing 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. Not bad for a luxury SUV, right? Charging also gets a major upgrade. There's now an 11 kW onboard charger for faster level 2 charging, and Lexus is switching to the NAC Sport, yep, the same one used by Tesla, so you'll soon have more public charging options. Plus, if you are planning to tow a trailer or a couple of jet skis, good news, the new all-wheel drive versions can tow over 3,300 pounds, double what the older model could handle. Inside, Lexus also made it quieter. They've added more sound deadening under the seats and in the cargo area, making for a smoother, more serene ride. The 2026 Lexus RZ will launch in Europe first, but it's expected to hit the US by the end of 2025. With more range, better performance, and sharper style, it's clear Lexus is all in on electric luxury. What do you think about the new RZ? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest EVs.